I'm Peggy Gaines, and this is the morning energy sequence. I invite you to begin this with Reiki. So bring your hands in Gassho and activate Reiki. You can focus right on the center of the palms of your hands. You can draw your highest symbol. That could be the power symbol. It could be Usui master symbol. It could be the holy fire symbol. Bring this on your hands and activate Reiki. All right, now we're going to put some Reiki into our energy system. So we're going to begin by tapping right below our eyes. This is the stomach meridian. It helps us to be grounded. Now, bring your hands down right below your collarbone and tap right here. This is the kidney meridian. It brings energy from the earth up through the bottoms of our feet. And now move on to the breastbone or the sternum. This stimulates the thymus gland, which helps our immune system. Come right below your armpit on the side of your chest and tap right here. This is the spleen meridian. It helps to clean our blood of toxins. Okay, now we're going to tap our legs, our knees. And by doing this, this is called the cross crawl, we're integrating the left and right side of our brain, getting to work better. And we're going to do that a little bit more by what is called the crossover. So take it from the left side to your right hip a couple of times. Do the same thing on the opposite side. And this helps that energy to cross over. Now we're going to do the Wayne Cook. Put your left hand out in front of you, turn the palm away, your right hand is over. Cross your legs, wind up your arms. Breathe in from the soles of your feet up to the tops of your head. Breathe out. Breathe in, imagine that energy is coming up, all the way up, and breathe out. And a third time, feel that energy as it travels up. Unwind your arms and cross your legs. Switch your arms, switch your legs. Wind back up and do it again. Visualizing that energy coming up from the earth to the top of your head. Second breath. And third breath. Wonderful. Unwind and cross. Take your hands and raise Jeho up to your third eye. Breathe in some Reiki to your third eye. Let's activate that intuition. Curl your fingers. Put it right at your forehead. Press down and pull over to your temples and shake it out. Let's do it again, the top part, and shake it out. Put your little fingers right at your hairline. Press down, open it up about an inch, all the way back, across the back of your head. When you get to the top of your neck, go cross about 3 times. Put your hands on your shoulders. Think about your worries. Take a deep breath in, pull all those worries off your shoulders and shake them into the earth. Let's do connecting heaven and earth. Bring your hands in prayer position. Take a deep breath in, circle your arms, and exhale. Take another deep breath in, push up against the sky, down against the earth. Feel that Reiki energy coming from source through us down to the earth. Exhale. Do the second side, up with a flat hand against the sky, down against the earth. Arch your head back and hold your breath as you look up at that raised hand. Exhale. Let's do a third one. And exhale. Last one, really stretch. And exhale. Come forward. By your ankles, you're going to do a figure 8 in the aura, all the way up to the top of your head. Put the back of your hands together. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now let's strengthen that aura. Begin by putting your hands on your thighs and grounding yourself. Now, rub your hands together. Bring them up by your ears. Take a deep breath in and hold it. Cross your arms and blow it out. Take another deep breath in and blow it out by your waist. Now down by your ankles. Take a deep breath in and blow it away. Grab that imaginary drape, bring it up over the top of your head and down behind you. All right, let's end by putting some love in our aura. 3 hearts around our head, 3 hearts around our torso. 3 hearts around our whole body. Reach up and down and up and down and up. Let your head, bring your arms up above you. This is called heaven rushing in. Think of all the love, the support, and the encouragement that the universe is flowing your way. Grab some of that energy and bring it into your heart. Ah, doesn't it feel wonderful? Now let's seal it up. Put your hands in your aura by your pubic bone. Come up to your lower lip 3 times. This seals the functional channel. Take your hands back to your tailbone. Come up as high as you can. Grab that imaginary zipper and bring it up over the top of your head to seal the governing channel. Lock it. And that is your morning energy sequence. Thank you for joining me. I'm Peggy Gaines, a licensed Reiki Master Teacher with the International Center for Reiki Training, and I hope you have a day filled with love and Reiki. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.